Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Natalie, and today I'm going to be sharing with you a new handbag, and it is the Aimee Kestenberg famous large crossbody bag. They do have a size that is smaller, but I wanted to go with the larger size, and what sold me on this bag was the beautiful studs. I just had to have it. It is so gorgeous, and I've never heard of this brand before, and of course I went on YouTube, and there was, I think, one video of someone talking about Aimee Kestenberg, but it wasn't for this bag at all. And then I saw a bunch of like QVC videos and I was like, oh my gosh. And I couldn't stop watching the QVC one on this bag. But they on QVC didn't have this studded bag. So it was kind of sad that I didn't get to like see it more like up close. But I just had to have it. So I saw this bag, I think like last spring. And then I didn't buy it for like, I don't even know, till like 10 months after that. So I just got this a few months ago and I have been enjoying it and loving it, and I just want to share my thoughts on it so it could help someone out there that's thinking about it, because there's like nobody else I feel like talking about this brand, and nobody else that is talking about this particular bag. So I am so happy with this bag. I really wanted a bag that I can take everywhere and anywhere for any occasion, just an every occasion handbag, because I do have luxury bags and just, other type bags, and I feel like they're very occasional based. Like, it just depends what I'm doing. It's not necessarily every single day. Some bags are too big and they're great to have if I'm like doing something where I need that much space, but I really wanted something up to be a perfect size where I can fit everything I need and more, and something with no logos on it. Let me tell you something. I love a good logo, okay? I love logos. But I really wanted something with no logos so that way I can take it anywhere and everywhere and have it be for every single occasion. I literally had on my first floor, I literally had like a purse changing table. Like, I was like constantly changing my bags out every single day. I didn't have a bag that I particularly just like grabbed for. It's been a while. I mean, I feel like for the longest time it was my Longchamp extra small crossbody bag, which I think I need to do a video on like my top 5 or 10 most used bags in my collection, because that one for the longest time was like my number one, because it's just great for anywhere and everywhere, but it is just too small. But anyway, when I saw the ad for this, the studs is what sold me. I researched this brand, went on their website, Instagram, but it was kind of sad because I really didn't get to see that many videos and people talking about the bag. So I really just wanted to do this video so I can totally help you guys, and it's such a beautiful bag. So the brand again is Aimee Kestenberg, which I believe is mainly sold on QVC from what I could tell. But they don't have like all her bags on QVC. So you definitely have to go to her website to see a lot of her stuff. Some department stores carry her brand as well. And I did a lot of research, and I will have to say it really reminded me of Rebecca Minkoff. So if you like Rebecca Minkoff, you probably will like her style of bags. I feel like they're definitely not the same, but they're similar in some ways and then very different in other ways. But I will say that Rebecca Minkoff is definitely, I feel like, even more trendy, fashion forward. Her bags are trendy as well, but I feel like they're great for even more great for the everyday person, if that makes any sense. I don't know. I've been buying Rebecca Minkoff handbags for over 10 years. Love, love, love her bags. I still buy them till this day. But I just felt like they're different styles. They're different, but yet similar, if that makes any sense. Check out the website. If you love Rebecca Minkoff, check out the website. You'll know exactly what I mean. So this is the famous large crossbody bag in black silver hardware with the studs. Now, this is, I believe, a seasonal colorway, because I don't think that you can get the studs now. However, always check out our website because things do come in and out of stock. Because I did order this and it did have some quality issues, and trust me, I was so bummed. Contacted their customer service, which I will tell you, like, they got back to me within like 5 minutes. Like, I don't even know, it was so fast. And the thing was, they didn't not have this in stock anymore, so they offered me a refund. I returned it. literally the next day it came back in stock and I ordered it so fast. And it was nice because when you do sign up on their website, you get 15% off. Customer service sent me a 20% off code, so I just used the 20% off code for the second one. This is the second one, and I didn't have any quality issues. And I will tell you this, I looked this over and over and over and over for days before I even decided to use it, let alone keep it, because I wanted to make sure that there was no issues with it. So definitely that first one, definitely something was really off, because when I opened this, I already saw such a difference. So I will post some pictures, but I remember there was some peeling on the strap. There was some scratches on the leather, which it was kind of weird because the first one was wrapped up to the nines. Like, it did not look like a return whatsoever. But then the second one here wasn't as wrapped up. Like, I don't know, it was definitely different. So I think it came from two separate places. I don't know. But nonetheless, this is in absolute perfect condition. I'm trying to think what else. I think there was like some peeling up here as well in the first one. I don't know. I have to look back at my pictures because I did take pictures, and I'll post them in here. But this one is absolutely perfect. And of course, no brand is perfect, but it was just such a bummer because it was my first time trying the brand, and I was like, no, I've been wanting this bag forever. It was like 8-10 months that I wanted the bag, and I'm like, no way. And then it was out of stock. And anyway, so this is the front of the bag. This is the back of the bag. You do get a magnetic closure and you get a huge back pocket. Now, this bag really reminds me of the Louis Vuitton Cuisines bag because of the shape and also the different compartments here. Now, I'm not a different compartment kind of gal. I don't like the way this looks on the side usually, but for some reason with this bag, it doesn't bother me whatsoever. So then with the strap, you get a guitar strap, all leather. This was another thing that I really wanted because all of my Rebecca Minkoff bags all have skinny, chain straps, and then a little bit of piece of leather that goes around your shoulder. And after a while, if you're walking around with those bags, it does start to hurt, okay? They're great for going out and this and that and walking around, but if you're going to walk around for hours, it's going to be your all day bag and you're going to be walking around, they're not the best. It does tend to hurt. So I wanted something that was a thicker strap, all leather, no chain. And this was like absolutely perfect. It was like the exact size that I was looking for. Just absolutely perfect with the strap. Also, what I love is that the strap is 100% removable. In this day and age, guys, I feel like if the bag does not have removable straps, I don't know what the brand is doing, because you can take these straps off, use this as a clutch, use it handheld, put different straps on it, and I think that's what every brand should be doing. So that's one thing I loved about Rebecca Minkoff and this brand as well. So love that. So we have the back pocket. Oh yeah, and then you have tons of adjustability here. Look at all those slots. I have it on the smallest setting, and honestly, I probably could even go a little bit shorter. I do like my crossbody bags up a little bit higher, and then you have this nice leather, I don't even know what you call this, but it keeps it, from rolling up, which is really nice. This strap is really, really nice. It's very lightweight. I would have to say, I feels just a little thin. I could see why some reviews say that this brand, the bags feel a little cheap, because it is very, very lightweight. It is not a heavy leather handbag, but I wouldn't say it's bad quality by any means. So then we go to the bag, all studs all the way around. You have these 3 different compartments. And what I love is that the zipper, it has this longer pull tab here, so it completely opens up. I was just watching a review video on the Louis Vuitton Cuisines bag, and that was the complaint, was that it didn't have a longer pull tab zipper, so you can completely open up the bag and find your items easier and fit more things. So I was like, oh my gosh, that's one thing that I love about this handbag, is that it has that. This zipper has these cute little leather tassels, just like Balenciaga back in the day, Rebecca Minkoff. A lot of brands do it nowadays, which I love that feature. Super smooth zipper, guys. I mean, we're talking luxury zipper quality right there. Super smooth, just amazing. Then you open it. As you can tell, I have my stuff in here because this is the bag that I have been using every single day. Not that I leave the house every day, but this is the bag that I have all my stuff in. So this is the front of the bag. This is the first compartment here. I have my mini pochette. I have my sunglasses, some floss, some Dior matte liquid lipstick, and a charger thing. Then in the middle here, you have a zipper compartment, which I'm not even using because honestly, this bag, it gives me so much more room than like what I need. You also get a leather pull tab there. And then on the back here, on the back side, you get a zipper back pocket, which I don't even have anything in. I have my wallet and some gum, and that is about it. So also the lining in here, I'm not a big fan of. I think if anything, the font should be smaller because the font is so large that you don't even get to read all the words. So she has words of empowerment on here, which I think the idea is fantastic. So she has like happy, empathy, strong. I don't know. It's just some like the thing respect is in there. But I just feel like if the font was just a little bit smaller, you could really read more of the words. I think since the font is so big, it kind of cuts all the words off. And I'm sure with every bag, it's different depending on the size. But I think if anything, the font should just be a little bit smaller. Or honestly, just plain fabric is fine with me. But I do like the fact that it is a lighter interior because then you can really find your stuff even more because it is a bigger bag. Because look how much this opens up, you know, and then you get the pocket back here. So it's really great. I mean, and these really, really expand. But what I also wanted in a bag, which this gives me, is that even if it's not full, it's not going to look like it's an empty bag. You know how like some bags are big and you kind of have to fill it up or else it kind of like looks weird. This isn't like that at all. So that's one thing I really, really, really love about the bag. Also, another thing that I noticed about using this bag is that, like my sunglass case, I wouldn't put it in the back, whether it's the outer back pocket or the back pocket on the bag, because then when you put it light up against your body, it's not flat. So in the back, I tend to put my wallet, I tend to put like my gum, my phone, like anything that's flat. It could be flat and, you know, thick or whatever, but as long as it's like flat, so that way when it's up against my body, it doesn't feel weird. It doesn't like look weird, but it kind of feels a little weird. But like my mini pochette, I could do that as well, but I put that in the front and then I put my glasses in the front and anything else. So that way the bulk is in the front and this isn't against your body. You know what I mean? So that's like the only like con, but it's not really a con because you can totally fix it. I have no problem putting that stuff in the front and different stuff in the back. And then I do like the zipper pocket because, you know, if you need to have more things a little bit more secure, that's even better because then, you know, you need two zippers to get into that pocket or even the pocket in the back. And the other thing I love about this bag is the amount of like organization. You can completely be organized. I think this bag is so like edgy, especially with the studs and everything. I would love this bag in every color. Do I need that? No. There's this beautiful color called Fuchsia. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful that she has a plain black one with black hardware, which is gorgeous. But I really wanted something with silver because I already have so much stuff with gold. And then you also do get a dust bag, which I will have to say I'm glad to get one, but I wish it was just a little bit better. I love the Rebecca Minkoff dust bags. So if anything, I would say maybe they should upgrade their dust bags a little bit with like cloth versus like, I don't know what this is. It's just a little cheapy. But other than that, I'm so in love. Like, I would 100% recommend this bag. I also love the fact that she does have her name here, which I kind of wish was in the back. That's my only thing. However, you can barely see it, and I don't mind that at all. So it doesn't really bother me, because I really wanted something with like no logos, and you really can't, you know, it's not like, at least it's not like on a silver plate. And it's just kind of, it's just embossed in the leather. So I don't mind that at all, because that's what I really wanted. I do like the fact that her name is engraved on all the hardware, because that means it's completely custom. And the hardware is really nice. It's not super heavy. It's very lightweight. The leather is very lightweight. It's not like super thick. It smells like leather. It's very, very soft and luscious. Like, I absolutely really, I just love this bag. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. So much so that I ordered another bag shortly after loving this one, because I want to try something else. So I'm really, really excited. If you ever tried this brand, let me know what your thoughts are below. But I'm just so happy that I tried it, and at least tried it for the second time with this bag, because the first time was such a disappointment. And I just love the strap. And what's really cool is you get like this detail on here as well. I love the double clasp here. Like, I love that. I think that's so cool and unique. Like, I never like seen that before. But yeah, I love it. It's so comfortable. I can wear it with any outfit. It's just great. I wear it with gold jewelry. Like, I don't care. It doesn't really matter to me. But yeah, I absolutely love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it helped someone out there. But yeah, if you're thinking about this bag, it's beautiful. And then you have like this woven detail here in the front, and then this is like the sides. But yeah, it's gorgeous. It's so gorgeous. Like, perfect for every occasion. And again, you can totally take the strap off and use it as a clutch if you need to be a little bit more fancy. It's just perfect. And I just love the fact that it can be full, or it can be somewhat empty, just your phone and wallet and keys, and like be on the go, and, you know, not feel like, okay, does this look weird because it's empty. It's just perfect. I absolutely love it. I love all the different compartments and organization. Yeah, I really, really enjoy it. So I hope that helped you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I am just so ecstatic about this bag, and I'm so happy that I have it in my collection. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Bye, guys.